Okay, here we go. Here we go. You ready?
Dump him.
Okay.
Alright, Army Man, where we going? Where are we going? Alright, we're going over here. Wait, what happened? Alright, well.
You gotta dump them. Bye, guys.
See ya.
Izzy's toy time!
Look! Dump truck.
Dump truck, excavator, remote control.
Okay.
Yeah! Finger test. Yep, looking good. Whoa.
Oh yeah, I've gotten good at this.
Here it goes. Okay, go take it into the dump truck, Daddy. It's so close. Oh, you get.
Let's see how many Hot Wheels can actually fit in this thing before it breaks.
What?
Let's fill it up first, and then I'm gonna have you dump it, okay?
Looking pretty high.
Let's drive it over and see if we can dump it off the side of the table, Boo Boo.
Oh.
I just want to see if we can
He's
do
got
it.
his hand on the trigger finger.
No. Oh, we're at capacity. All right, Hot Wheels, time. Yeah.
That was effective. It can hold the sea creature.
All right, get him. All right, we got a fish delivery here.
They don't belong here in the goo. They belong in the sea, which is apparently on the floor.
I gotta go pick up all the Army Man.
Okay, here I can help you.
That situation is not improving. What's going on here?
All right. Oh, finger test is happening.
Uh-oh.
Hey, that's a good one.
Don't mind me. Don't mind.
What happened? Ah! Daddy!
Army Man, move it.
Oh!
I got one. All right, I'm gonna go put it somewhere. I don't even care where.
Go put it in the dump truck. Oh! Aww! Whoa, Bob, are you dumping? The lights came on!
All right, let me pick this up. Hold on, just give me a moment. Bubba, help me out. All right, back in it up, back in it up.
This is so satisfying. Ah!
Dang it!
You need patience, my son.
I do not.
Patience. Okay, ready?
All right,
Okay,
here we go.
let's try it again.
Patience.
Patience.
I'm coming in for drop off. Coming in for drop off.
Yeah! Hey, we got a tractor in our little mix.
All right, baby, I'm coming in.
Yeah!
Yeah, you're getting it.
Get out of there. Hey, got him. What did Daddy do? Goes there, Daddy.
Bubba, where do you want it? Do you want it in the dump truck or do you want it in the tractor? You want it in the tractor? All right, load me up, sir.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Put it in the tractor.
I'm coming.
Yeah, that's. Oh! Daddy, I just vacuumed this floor.
Not me to do.
Daddy! Oh! Daddy's vacuuming tonight.
Go in the dump truck.
All right, get it in the dump truck.
There's a hay there, one.
Yeah!
There's a hay.
Oh, he's got hay!
Oh, I got it.
Whoa! You got it all out? Uh-oh.
Finger test.
Finger
Hello, dump
test.
truck. Do you want some purple goo?
Yes, I do.
All right, coming up. Coming. Yep, this is gonna end.
Oh.
I'm in with this thing.
Oh. Hey. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Yeah. Ew.
All right, wait.
All right, let's go this way.
All right, I'm coming. Look at this. I don't
You're gonna back it out. Go.
Oh, man.
Oh. By a mile.
All
right, turn yourself around. So you got
like
really
that?
good. Okay, ready?
Hold on. Let me extend for maximum. All right. Go.
Go! Whoa! Get out of there! Oh, look at the tires.
Oh, I'll clean it.
Uh-oh. Bumper! Hey! You got it!
I want the purple goose.
Alright, he's going. Hey! Hey! Don't take my goo! Don't take my goo! Oh! Thank you, Bubba.
The excavator's worse than dump truck.
Here goes. Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Man, you
You're
got good at this, Daddy.
Right? Correct.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, we got 2 balls. Ah!
Listen here, Betty.
Guys.
Baby!
Oh, I got some. I'm not being
let me
very
Let me help. Hey, trying to help.
Stop it! Oh no! Thank you. I needed that one. Snake! Oh!
Got it. Armor Man stuck in the goo. We need some help. I'm coming.
Come on! Oh! Thomas's train's stuck in the goo. Oh, you got Thomas taking over.
Oh, my man's gonna come over here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hurry before Daddy gets in.
Come on, Bubba. What are you waiting for? Come on.
Oh no! Oh! Hey, it still goes. Oh, you need some help. I put it at the end. Yeah! Here, you need some help, Daddy.
I bet.
Boom. Done.
Thank you.
Welcome. Wait, hold on. Army Man he wasn't ready. Okay. Yeah!
I got this.
Okay.
I'm a professional.
Oh! What's happening over here? And he's stuck? Daddy will help.
Here, let me help. Let me help you.
You almost got one. What's Daddy doing?
Look, Mama, look.
Gosh, they're stuck in there. They're so stuck.
Oh, look.
What is happening?
A bigger hole.
Oh no! Beep, beep, beep. Wow! Oh no, where's it going?
Better things to do.
Well, okay, bye guys. Bye, excavator. Bubba, where's he going?
Leave me alone.
Here. Ah! Oh, we're coming back. We're coming. Excavator, you need to pick up the pace.
What? Hold on, let me get this guy while I'm here.
Maybe it's better in the carpet, right? Hey, you got it. Nope. Number 5 is alive. There you go, Daddy.
Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Get out of my way.
Get him! Get him, Boo-Boo!
Get out of my way. Excuse me, baby. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry, dude.
What's it doing over there? Oh, he's got your feet!
Oh, sorry.
Hey, you got more stuff to play in construction!
Mommy, did that side?
Daddy! What's he doing? Daddy's going off on one of your construction sites! Look, Daddy's taking the digger! Bubba! Bubba, Daddy stole your digger! Daddy! Alright, well, we're gonna keep playing. I hope you guys had a good time. We'll see y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching!
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye!